No, this is mine. Okay.
My name is Keisuke Inoue, and I'm the instructor of the Gunpla after school. In this program, we provide all the necessary materials and tools, including the model kit and paint. The model kits range from beginner-friendly entry-level kits to more challenging advanced-level kits, depending on the student's experience. To recognize students' achievements, we award certificates for each skill level, acknowledging their dedication and mastery. Through this program, students master a variety of techniques such as painting with brush or airbrush, sanding and smoothing surfaces, applying decals, and adding custom parts. The program is designed to enhance students' fine motor skills, develop a keen attention to details, and improve their ability to solve complex problems.